whatever nail polish you want. I'm gonna use blue, because I got pink before, and that pink does not look so very nice. So it's gonna be alright. Now that's enough. Here's what it looks like right now. Now you're gonna wanna fold it. Take a little second. And then mush it. And then you're gonna see. I'm gonna do it up by the hand. Okay. Look, it's blue. You can't really see the freaking blue. So I'm gonna just, I will put a lot. My heat is on. This gun doesn't really work well, guys. But that should be it. Squeeze it off and squeeze it. You're gonna want to make it look like it's all over. Now you're gonna want to put it in some water. Like that. Now the Play-Doh is kind of like sticky now. Like, it's like fine. It's so like, see that? It's so sticky. You know what I mean. Now you want to get the tissue, one or two, and you can use one. Set it down. You're gonna want to take your clear. Ooh, ooh. I can't wait. Take it clear. Oh, there is. Ew. Take it clear. So, do it. Just do it. Look what they did, guys. Gonna wrap it in here. I'm making a mess. I'm gonna take another paper towel. Alright. And that's all. Put your cap back on. Whoa. This literally, oh my god. I should have been careful with this. Just shove it all in like this. Alright. And want to open it. This is not good. It's like smells better. Now it's fine. This just smells so good. This is not good. Now fine. Wow. wonder if we can like one a loser. Just play it off. Wow. Look. Now it's 40. Wow. God. They're so cute. Wow, I can't believe this. It's so look, it's smooth. I should just to make this look. Look. It's so funny. I want to make it right now because I think I put some more dye in. You know how I do it? Because it doesn't really look blue. I'm just going to put some more blue in. It doesn't look good to me. Hurry. So, oh, I'm going to get my glove. One glove. So, I put some more blue. Oh, sticky. Just, oh, mix it. Yeah. Oh, just mix it. You're gonna want to mix it and mix it in there. Mix it. Do it. Alright. Gotta hurry up for the meeting. Is it ready? Oh my god, that's a lot. It's ready. Here's my slime. If I would have had white Play-Doh, I would have made white. What's going on? What the mom? Alright guys, if you guys want to know how to make slime, just really know it's blue here. So I'm gonna mix it up one more time. Guys, it's blue. Alright, I got here, guys. This is about my camera's about to go off. Hey, guys, get it? Just mix it in. Alright, I gotta hurry, guys. Mine is on 10%. And the camera's about to die. Wow, wait. How many? Oh my god, it's also 50%. I gotta hurry. Alright, I think it's done. Is it done? Nope. Ah, gotta hurry. Gotta hurry. This is not really working out. Alright, I think I need to do. Let's try this one. Go. Go. Alright. And just mix it. Alright. So, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Snapchat, Miracle So Cool. Twitter, Miracle Martin. Instagram, Miracle Martin. Miracle Tiffany Martin. So, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I heard that you should make this. So, I will see biddy bee, biddy bee.